क्लोजर नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है, ठीक है, वो इसलिए नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि आपने उसको वैल्यू दिखाया नहीं, इसलिए वो आपसे डिस्काउंट की बातें कर रहा है, इसलिए वो आपसे पैसे की बातें कर रहा है। वो अगर आपसे डायरेक्टली फीस भी पूछे, आर यू मेंटली रेडी दैट यू हैव गिवन हिम इनफ ROI फॉर हिम टू बिलीव दैट यू आर एक्चुअली द वन हु विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? डज ही बिलीव इन यू? डज ही ट्रस्ट इन यू? सपोज व्हिच, तो हम लोग का पिच का सिंपल रूल है, एंड विल देन अप्लाई इन योर केस आल्सो, कि बॉस अगर तुम्हारा जितने भी मिनट का कॉल हुआ, 20 मिनट का, 30 मिनट का, जो भी है, 80% टाइम तक तो तुम कोर्स के बारे में कुछ बोलोगे ही नहीं। You are not allowed to speak about course because you have to if you are not able to provide if you are not able to understand the problem and get to his burning desire, how will you provide a solution, and how will he believe that this solution is extremely important for me? If I don't take it, it will be my loss. Then the game will not be of price. The game would be of the fact that we have shown you enough ROI that you would want to take it. I will still say कि बस मेरा यही प्राइस है, I have given you enough ROI. Do you have a better game plan right now? Let's discuss that. If you have, let's discuss that. My course is not important, but your game plan is extremely important. You should sound genuine. That's how you do. So probably what would have happened is that if the customer has come to you and had asked you, you wouldn't have enough set of discussions with that customer and directly commercials will come. अच्छा, कस्टमर खुद से पूछ ले आपके कमर्शियल्स क्या हैं, then the question that how you have to deflect it, जैसे कमर्शियल्स जो है बात करने के कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पहले थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड तो करें काम क्या है, कितना काम लगेगा, because I want to be fair and transparent to you, right? If you find value in what I provide, ठीक है, you pay me whatever the commercials will come, but that is largely dependent on the fact कि काम क्या है, कितनी मेहनत है, and I want to discuss and show everything upfront with you with my calculation, ठीक है? And deflect that commercial का question and then ask those questions of profiling and probing कि सर काम क्या है, आपने दिक्कत क्या हुई थी, कौन से लॉयर को आपने अप्रोच किया था, उसने क्या गलती की थी, किस चीज से आप पिस्ड ऑफ थे, and then when he sees a tremendous value, you then quote him a figure that you feel is genuine and you give him a breakup कि देखिए सर मैं ये करूँगा, इसमें इतना इतना आएगा, ये करूँगा इतना इतना आएगा, ये करूँगा इतना इतना आएगा, बाकी सर आपकी मर्जी है, ठीक है, this is the thing. You can go and you can check with anyone, but this is it. Now because you have given him a freemium, that is why I say give freemium. थोड़ा free ज्ञान दो for him to believe that you actually know the work and you are trustworthy. Is when then he will not play the discount कि अरे वो तो 40 में कर रहा है, वो तो 30 में कर रहा है, वो तो 20 में कर रहा है, आप 10 में करके देखो, क्योंकि आप ये establish कर ही नहीं पाए। That is where you are going wrong. 80% time just spent in understanding the customer is problem. Because if you are able to manage, understand the customer and his problem and his burning desire and what he needs, okay, by the time you have established so much trust into the customer, right, that now whatever you pitch, he will find value because now he started trusting you. Most of the time this happens because people are too busy. They don't have patience, which is what I said, art of listening है वो. They don't have the patience to listen to the customer. They are like, मेरे को सेल करनी, जल्दी इसको ले आता पैसा आ जाए। Sales is about meditation. It is like river. It's fluid. Have all the patience in the world for your customer to believe that you are here for him. There is nothing in the world that is important than you. I want to just listen to you. I want to address you. I am here for you. No, doesn't matter the sale happen or not. I am there for you. My only job is just to understand you and see in any which way possible I can help. Once you establish that, it is like कठपुतली. Decision उसको लग रहा है वो ले रहा है, लेकिन control आप कर रहे हैं. That is the beauty of sales.